Hey developers, JE Work Nova is hiring for the software engineer UI developer role and the work location is Hyderabad. Talking about the required qualification and education. This role is outside from USA so required a bachelor degree in CS or STEAM. STEAM means science, technology, engineering and math. If you've done your bachelor degree related to these branches, you can apply for this role. And talking about the required technical skills. Experience with front-end technologies such as JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Angular, Backbone.js, Ember.js, Knockout.js. Experience with database tools JPA, Hibernate, JDBC, Spring Data, and freshers and experience both can apply for this role. And other experience required in rules engines and modern tooling. Aware of methods and practices such as Lean, Agile, XP, and prior work experience in Agile environment and able to apply AI is initial part of the development and general understanding of the impacts of technology choice to the software development lifecycle. And here is business acumen requirement, personal leadership attributes, and here is the key responsibilities. So you can read more. Now move to the next hiring by the Stripe for the Bangalore location and role is software engineer. Talking about the required qualification, a bachelor or master or PhD degree in CS or directly related field and going to pass out in 2026 can apply for this role and some experience with familiarity with programming either through side projects or classwork. We work mostly in Java, Ruby, JavaScript, Scala and Go and they believe new programming languages can be learned if the fundamentals and general knowledge are present. Experience from either previous internship or work collaborative multi-person coded project. Ability to learn unfamiliar systems and form an understanding of those systems through independent research and working with a mentor and subject matter expert. One or more areas of specialized knowledge balanced with general skills and knowledge, such as more front-end technologies and high-level how a service handle an HTTP request. So end this video, apply link below in the description and hit a like button, do comment and subscribe for more job updates.